let's see how to find your trash in Canva. So, for your overview, why do people find their trash in Canva? It's because for their recovery or some accidental deletion, users often mistakenly delete designs and needed to recover them. Also, organizing projects by removing unnecessary designs and retrieving them when needed. So, for you to able to restore your work, you just have to follow these steps. First, on your Canva dashboard, you just have to click the three lines on the top left corner of your screen, and after clicking on it, you will see a trash button here on the bottom. You just have to click it. So after that, I will provide you some examples. So for example, this design is I will delete it, and after moving that to trash, just simply refresh it for you to able to see that design on my trash bin. And then for it to recover, just simply click the three dots on it and simply click restore. And then that's how you find your trash in Canva. See you soon.